As long as there are no visible signs of physical damage, a camera that won't work properly can be just due to a minor app problem. You will be able to fix it by doing a few basic troubleshooting procedures on your phone. So in this video, we will show you how to fix the camera on Galaxy A53 that's not working properly. But before we move on, please like and share our videos so we can help other users who might have issues with their device. Now going back to our topic, here's how it's done. First solution, restart the camera. The first thing you have to do is to restart the camera app as well as close all apps that are still running in the background. Doing so will rule out the possibility that one of the apps is causing the camera to crash. To do that, tap the recent key to view the apps that are still running in the background. Tap close all to force quit them all at once. After doing that, launch the camera to see if it still crashes, because if so, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. The next thing you need to do is force restart. Doing so will refresh your phone's memory and reload all services. If it's just due to a minor system glitch or issue, this might fix it. To do so, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. This will trigger your device to shut down and power back up. When the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow the phone to continue the boot process. Once the phone has finished rebooting, launch the camera to see if the problem is fixed, because if still not, then try the next solution. Third solution, reset the camera settings. After the first two solutions and the camera is still not working properly, then you have to reset its settings. While you can do that inside the camera app itself, there's a chance that the app will crash just before you can reset it. So what you need to do is reset it through the settings app. To do that, tap and hold the camera app until the options show. Tap the app info icon to open its settings. Scroll down a bit and then tap storage. Tap clear cache first and then tap clear data. Tap delete to confirm you want to delete its saved data. Don't worry though, none of your pictures or videos will be deleted. Once you've done that, launch the camera again to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution, reset all settings of your phone. The next thing you need to do if the previous solution fails is to reset all your phone's settings. It's possible that some of the settings or features are messed up, so it's better to bring all the settings back to their factory defaults without deleting any of your files or data. To do that, launch the settings app once again. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and then select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed. Wait until your phone finishes the settings reset, and then try to see if the camera is now working properly. We hope this guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel to support us or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.